Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Patil, lecturer EC department, Unit 2 ARM instructions, lecture number 16. In this session we will be discussing branch instructions. Branch instructions. The basic branch instruction allows a jump forward or backward up of to 32 MB. A branch link, which is modified version of the branch instruction, allows the same jump but stores the current PC, that is program counter address, plus 4 bytes in the link register. The branch link instruction jumps to the destination and stores a return address in R14 link register. The basic branch instruction allows a jump forward or backward up to 32 MB. By using the condition codes, we can perform conditional branching and conditional calling functions. The first branch instruction is B, which is branch. B is the simplest branch. Upon encountering a B instruction, the ARM processor will jump immediately to the address given and resume execution from there. Branches are used to change execution flow. Syntax for branch instruction is shown. The branch labels are placed at the beginning of the line and are used to make an address that can be used later by the assembler to calculate the branch offset. For example, you can see in this the example for branch instruction. In this example, we can see that there is a forward branch and a backward branch. Because these loops are addresses, we do not include the pre and post conditions. The forward branch skips 3 instructions and the backward branch creates an infinity loop. Branches are used to change execution flow. Most assemblers hide the details of branch instruction encoding by using labels. In this example, forward and backward are the labels. The branch labels are placed at the beginning of the line and are used to mark an address that can be used later by the assembler to calculate the branch offset. Next, BL, that is branch with link. In this, link register R14 is loaded with contents of R15 just before the branch. You can reload R14 into R15 to return the instruction after the branch. It is a primitive but powerful implementation of a subroutine. It performs a subroutine call. BX, branch and optionally exchange instruction set. The BS instruction is used to branch to a target address stored in a register based on optional condition. The syntax for BX branch is shown. For example, ADR R0, SUBR. It will get the subroutine address or R0, #1. Bit 0 of R0 is set to 1. The next instruction is BLX, that is branch with link and optionally exchange instruction set. This instruction has 2 alternative forms: an unconditional branch with link to program a relative address, and the second is a conditional branch with link to an absolute address held in a register. The syntax for which is shown. Thank you.